Imagine waking up to a world where the air you breathe is thick with black soot, where the simple act of walking down the street could mean inhaling a lungful of toxic pollutants. That dystopian vision isn't as far-fetched as you might think, thanks to a little-known practice called rolling coal. Rolling coal, a phenomenon where aftermarket devices override emissions controls in diesel trucks, causing them to spew excessive black exhaust, has been a major source of air pollution. These devices are not just harmful, but also illegal, as they violate the Clean Air Act. Yet they found a wide marketplace on eBay, with over 343,000 units sold. eBay, a global online marketplace known to many of us as the go-to place for everything from vintage clothing to rare collectibles, is now facing potential fines of up to $2 billion for allowing these illegal sales. But it doesn't stop at rolling coal devices. The accusations also extend to the unlawful sale of pesticide products and items containing toxic chemicals. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, didn't turn a blind eye to this. Acting on behalf of the EPA, the Justice Department has filed a lawsuit against eBay. As the news of this lawsuit broke, it sent shockwaves through environmentalist circles and beyond, triggering a much-needed conversation about corporate responsibility and environmental protection. eBay, on its part, claims to have already blocked and removed the majority of the listed products. They are also cooperating with law enforcement to prevent the sale of dangerous or illegal items. This isn't the first time a company has been caught in the crosshairs for similar offenses. Sinister MFG Company, a California parts maker, has already pleaded guilty to similar charges and agreed to pay fines. To recap, the rolling coal devices, a major source of air pollution, were sold in large quantities on eBay. The EPA has taken serious action against this with a lawsuit via the Justice Department. eBay is now facing potential fines of up to $2 billion for these illegal sales, which also included pesticide products and items containing toxic chemicals. The company claims to have taken steps to rectify the situation, but the question remains, is it enough to reverse the damage already done? Only time will tell.